Hey y'all, let's get into this install that I did on my type 4 4C hair with these Curlsqueen clip-ins. In this video, I'm wearing the 20-inch water Kinky Coily clip-ins. And this is the 4A 4B texture. And these are all the goodies that the packages from Curlsqueen always come with. So cute. And here's a look at what the clip-ins are gonna look like out the box. The curl pattern on these clip-ins is very tight and very similar to type 4 4A 4B hair. So jumping right into the install, I just start clipping these clip-ins into my head in a way that it falls into my face. And as you can see here, I am doing a side part with these clip-ins. This clip-in comes with clips with 5 clips, 4 clips, 3 clips, 2 clips, and 1 clip. I did start with the 5 clips and the 4 clips in the back of my head where I have more space. And then towards the top of my head is when I start using the 3, 2, and 1 till I'm at the top and my head is all full with the clip-ins. Honestly, there's no particular way to clip these in. I have flat twists in and I'm just clipping them to my flat twist. You can clip them to your cornrows. You can put on a little net if you want to clip it to your net. But I just try to clip them in a way that it falls into my face and it's secure in my head that it's not going to come out. Now, a key part to this style is going in and wetting and defining the curls, because this curl pattern is so tight that I feel like if you don't define the curls, it's not going to really give you that 4A 4B water coily look it's supposed to give. So I did go in and add a lot of water, and then I went in sections in this hair, sprayed the water down, drenched the hair in water, and then I added gel and like a leave-in conditioner and started going through and in small sections finger detangling and finger coiling the hair to really get that definition look I was going for. And this is how the pattern of the curls are looking after I wetted and defined it and finger coiled it. I will say it is a bit tedious day, but you want your curls to turn out like that. It does require a little bit of extra work, but this is a natural texture. It mimics natural hair, so you have to treat it as such. But yeah, this is not a style that I will wear very often, but when I do wear a style like this is how I do style it. Once I finish with the entire head, y'all, this is how it turns out. The curls are super defined. I love the way this looks. It looks super natural and it mimics my natural hair. This is a bit tedious, but the look is so worth it. It looks so natural and looks so good. And I did let the hair air dry. I will say if you have a diffuser, I would recommend that because his hair is very thick, so it took a very long time to dry. So do invest in a diffuser if you have one, or a better way to dry your hair, overhead dryer or whatever you may have. Right here I'm just taking out my flat twist that I had, and I did apply some oil to my hands to prevent frizzing and snagging of my hair when I'm undoing this flat twist so that it can stay defined. And from here the install is pretty much done, y'all. Like it blends with my hair so good because this texture is just so similar to my hair. I didn't have to do much to this hair to make it blend. So this is what she's looking like, and I'm just kind of defining my side part here, literally tucking these pieces in, y'all, because it blends so well. Like I didn't have to do much at all, and I do love that about this texture. And to just add some finishing touches to this look, I did go in with my basket leather edge control and put some edge control on my edges. Yeah, y'all, that's really all I did for this install. It's super easy. It's just a little bit time consuming if you want to define your curls and actually let them dry, which you don't have to do. You can just install the hair the way it was, and it still would blend, you know, pretty well with type 4 hair. Yeah, y'all, this is how the install turns out. I will have the links to this hair down below. Like I said, y'all, this is from Curlsqueen. This is the 20 inches water kinky coily 4A 4B texture, and I do have 4C hair, and this is how it's blending with my hair. And yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I know I have been a little bit inactive here on YouTube, and I am so sorry about that, y'all. I've been putting a lot of time into TikTok, but I do plan to come back here and start posting more videos. And I know I say that, but like I really do mean that. I'm not gonna just abandon my YouTube, because I did work so hard on this platform, and I do love all y'all that are subscribed, all y'all that are watching, all y'all that like my videos. Love all y'all so much. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment any questions, comments, concern. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Toodles. And again, don't forget, if you're interested in this hair, it's linked down below in the description box. Bye.